Space is not kind. Outside Earth's fragile bubble, every world in our solar system is a death trap waiting for us. Each planet would kill you quickly, brutally, and in its own unique way. Let's begin with Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun. Stand on its surface, and the heat scorches you alive. Temperatures soar past 800 degrees Fahrenheit. Your skin would blister, your blood would boil. And yet, in the shadows, the cold would be so extreme you'd freeze solid in seconds on Mercury. Death comes from extremes burned and frozen at the same time, next Venus. The true hell of our solar system, the clouds of sulfuric acid. An atmosphere so dense it crushes you flat, and heat hotter than another 900 degrees. Your body would collapse under the pressure, melt in the heat, and dissolve in acid. Death here isn't quick, it's violent. Venus doesn't just kill you, it annihilates you, now to Mars. The red desert world, it looks inviting, but don't be fooled. Step onto its surface. And the air is so thin you can't breathe. Within seconds, your blood would fizz and boil. The freezing winds would turn your body to stone. You would end burn or melt here, you'd suffocate and freeze, staring up at a dead sky. Then comes the giant Jupiter, but you wouldn't even reach its surface. Because it has none. Fall into Jupiter, and the atmosphere crushes you deeper and deeper. The pressure would flatten your body, your bones shattering, your organs collapsing. Lightning storms larger than Earth would tear you apart. You wouldn't die once, you'd die 1,000 times before vanishing into endless gas. And if Jupiter doesn't terrify you, Saturn will. Its beauty is a lie. Beneath the rings is another gas giant that crushes intruders too. Pulp, fall through Saturn's clouds, and you'd be ripped apart by winds faster than any hurricane on Earth. The deeper you go, the more your body is crushed until you no longer exist. Saturn kills with elegance, slow, crushing, suffocating elegance. Now, Uranus from a distance. It looks calm, a pale blue marble, but drop into it, and you'll die in silence. Winds scream at 500 miles per hour, slamming your body into pieces. The cold is so extreme, your lungs would freeze with your last breath. Uranus kills with ice and storm, a frozen tomb in space. And then Neptune, the most violent winds in the solar system, over 1,200 miles per hour. Step onto Neptune, and the storm tears you limb from limb before you can even gasp. Your body, shredded and frozen, vanishes into a blue hurricane that never ends. Neptune doesn't give you time to scream. But what about the tiny world at the edge, Pluto? Step onto Pluto, and it feels almost calm. But it's 400 degrees below zero. Your body would freeze so fast, you'd shatter like glass if touched. Pluto kills quietly, turning you into a frozen statue beneath a sky of eternal night. And then there's the sun itself. The star that gives us life would destroy us instantly. Fall into it, and you're incinerated before you even touch its surface. Your atoms ripped apart, your body erased in nuclear fire 1,000,000 times more powerful than any weapon. The sun doesn't kill, it erases. But here is the truth. You don't even need to land on a planet to die in space. Step outside without a suit, and space itself takes you. No air, no pressure. Your blood boils, your lungs rupture, and your body freezes, drifting forever in the dark. So, what would dying on every planet be like? It would be brutal, merciless, and unique each time. Burned on Mercury, crushed on Venus, frozen on Mars, shredded on Neptune, incinerated by the sun. Every world in our solar system is a killer, and Earth is the only one that lets us live.